Dinner time.
Oh, there he is.
Elephants eat hay.
Swings around like,
Elephants were
do I want to eat it?
herbivores,
Do I
so
not?
that
Do I
means
want to eat
they
it? Do I
only eat
not?
plants. Lions eat meat. Lions were carnivores, so that means they only eat meat. Monkeys eat bananas. Or should I say, bananas? Monkeys were omnivores, so that means they eat meat and plants. Bath time. Elephants take baths by using the water. They also take spraying water baths at each other or their calves. Lions take baths by licking their fur, including their paws and their cubs. Monkeys take baths by picking their fur, so they can get rid of bugs and lice, including their infants. Bedtime. Elephants sleep standing up or lying down. They lean against a tree or simply rest their trunk on the ground. Lions sleep on the ground by lying down, while the male ones yawn and went to sleep as well. Monkeys sleep in trees or on the ground. They sleep alone or with a group. They also sleep standing up or lying down.